In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Managing your accounts efficiently is crucial for maintaining a clear and organized financial overview. Let's dive into how you can disconnect a bank account from your QuickBooks with ease. First, you'll need to navigate to QuickBooks. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials on the QuickBooks homepage, which sets you on the right path to managing your accounts. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, direct your attention to the left menu and look for the Bank Transactions tab. This section is your go-to for all bank-related activities and is essential for managing accounts and transactions. Once in the Bank Transactions section, you'll notice a list of accounts. Find the account you wish to remove, which is marked with its balance, such as Bank Zurabal. Click on this to open up more options for that particular account. When the account page opens, look out for the pencil icon. This icon is what you need to edit the account details. Clicking on it will bring up a detailed view of the account settings. With the account settings open, you should see an option labeled Edit Account Details. This option allows you to make any necessary changes to the account's information, and it's crucial for when you want to proceed with removing the account. Before moving ahead, you'll see an option titled Disconnect this account on save. This option is key to safely detaching the account from your QuickBooks setup. Clicking this ensures that the account is disconnected but that all past transactions remain in your records. After selecting to disconnect, another screen may appear, highlighting the change. This is just a confirmation step to make sure you're aware of the modifications being made. Finally, you'll encounter a confirmation box asking, "Are you sure you want to disconnect this bank account from your QBO account?" Here, it's important to double-check your choice. If you're sure about proceeding, clicking Yes will successfully disconnect the account. And there you have it. The credit card account is now safely removed from QuickBooks Online. Remember, although the account is disconnected, historical transaction data remains accessible within your records. This ensures the integrity of your financial reporting remains intact. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found these steps straightforward and simple to implement. Managing your accounting data efficiently does not have to be daunting, and with QuickBooks, it can actually be quite seamless. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next tutorial.